Pimple, and today is my topic from Core Java, and my subject is data types in Java. Okay, so first of all, we can take an example of what are data types. So there are two types of data types in Java programming language. First is primitive data type, and second one is non-primitive data type. So in the primitive data type, what is meant by primitive data types? The primitive data types have fixed size data or fixed size, so it is called as primitive data types. Then non-primitive data types. Non-primitive data types is a that data types have not a fixed size, so it is called as non-primitive data types. Okay, so first of all, we discuss about primitive data types. So there are 8 types of data types in Java programming language, or in primitive data types. There are 8 types of data type. Okay, so first we take an example of Boolean, Boolean data type, byte data type, char data type, short data type, int data type, long data type, then float data type, and then last is double data type. So these are the 8 data types in primitive data types. Then we first discuss about Boolean. So the Boolean data types have the default size of 1 bit or 1 bit size integer. So the Boolean data type is only expressed in true or false condition, or true or false. So then we discuss about byte data type. So byte data type have a default size of 1 byte, size byte sign integer. So its range of size is from -128 to 127. So it is a uh, byte data type. Then we take an example of character data type. So character data types is a uh, 32-bit size integer, or 32 bits default size of character data type, and it is only express, or it is only used for character data type. Then we take an example of int. So int data type is used for, only uh, integer value, or int or integer. So its default size of 32-bit sign integer. Then we take an example of short data type have a 64-bit data size, or sorry, 32-bit data size. And short, it is a its range from it is a range greater than int data type. So when we there are greater size of data or big size of data, when we use the uh, what sorry, byte sorry byte data type. Okay, or short data type. Then we can take example of uh, uh, so next character. So take an example of character. Then long data type. Long data type is a 64-bit size integer. So it is used for long size data for data types. Then we can take example of next data type is a float data type. Float data type is a single precision data type, and it is used for a decimal value or decimal point value. It's a default size of 32-bit. Then last we can take an example of double data type. Double data type is double precision size of data, and its default size is 64-bit. So it is also used for a point decimal value. So these are the different these are the different 8 different types of data types in primitive data type. So then next we can goes on go, I am going on Next data type, that is a non-primitive data type. Non-primitive data type. So it's have not a fixed size, and it is an example of non-primitive data type is a object, class, object, then class, then interfaces, classes. So it is an example of arrays. It is an example of non-primitive data type. So these are the importance, or these are the, so we discuss about the main two different types of data types in Java programming language. First one is a primitive and second one is non-primitive. So these are the